Hello, friend. Mormo here, the horror host who loves to learn and then loves to earn. And that's really no joke, folks. I do learn making these videos, and I've been putting into action what I'm learning, and then I get more views and more subscribers and everything. I'm not really I well, no, I've been earning pretty good too, and it's awesome. I just been using hooks. Like I made two videos previously, and then I kind of got sidetracked. It was supposed to be a series of videos about using hooks in marketing, and the first two videos I learned so much, so I decided I have a little bit of working time left over tonight, so I might as well make another movie about learning from hooks. And I just punch in some keywords and do some copy and paste, and my computer poops out these little educational training movies. And this one is about Pinhead making $100 using hooks. So let's go ahead and watch the video now.
Incongruent juxtaposition. Incongruent juxtaposition is the next way that you can come up with a hook. It means simply taking two things that don't belong together normally and putting them together. The best example ever for incongruent juxtaposition is the secret of the one-legged golfer, because people are thinking, how can the secret of great golf come from somebody with one leg? It's insane. So you take two elements that don't belong together and you put them together. That is the simplest way you can think of it. So if you're looking through your product or you are thinking about creating a product, think how could you take two things that should never be together and combine them together. So when people read it they think, what the hell? Challenging conventional wisdom using shock or controversy with the Internet Marketing Time Management course, one of my products. I have two different headlines. The first headline I came up with for that is the 80/20th rule sucks. That's kind of controversial and it is challenging conventional wisdom. That is my hook. I'm claiming about a product that everybody thinks is the greatest thing since sliced bread to say it sucks. If you've been following that, you've been screwed. They are thinking, what the hell, I've got to read what this guy's saying because everybody else in the industry has told me that the 80/20th rule is the greatest thing since sliced bread. Then I created another product about personal development and I said self-help gurus suck. So again I'm challenging conventional wisdom here. It's shocking, and it's controversial. I'm getting their attention with controversy. New and unique. If you come up with things that absolutely have not been done before as a means of delivering something new to the marketplace, then that is the only hook you need. One of the things I can think of is Gary Halbert's ad, how to collect Social Security at any age. Prior to him nobody had ever made that claim before, and just simply making that claim of how to do this is in itself a hook. Ease of use. Ease of use is another hook. In a market where everyone else is having trouble, then you can use ease of use to say, here's how you do this simpler. One of the hooks that I came up with for a client that I was writing copy for said something along the lines of, the best dog food is cheap, takes less than 2 minutes to prepare and can be found in any grocery store. This is an example of ease of use. A lot of people hadn't switched to a raw dog food diet because it was too expensive and they thought it would take too long to prepare. So I say it's cheap actually, and it takes less than 2 minutes to prepare. That draws them in because this is typically in a marketplace where there is no ease of use. They think, if I want to feed my dog right, I've got to study all these different dog products, I've got to find out what the dog food industry is actually putting in them, blah blah blah. Look. No, now you don't. Check this out.
Okay, friends, so there you go. He was talking about different juxtaposition where you take two things that don't belong together and put them together in your hook. Like a one-legged golfer, you could say, like, how Jason Voorhees hooked up with beautiful ladies or something, or got the phone number of a beautiful lady or something. That would be pretty funny. And then he was talking about shocking or uh, things where you say things that go against what most people think. Like he was talking about the 80-20 rule and saying that that was garbage. So you could say, like, so and so is garbage in the horror community or something, or like, this movie is bad. I don't know. But anyways, I've been using hooks in my titles on my YouTube videos and getting some pretty good results. And I'm learning a lot from this series. I hope you're learning a lot too. And check the links below. And you can join my high ticket coaching program, or take some of my low ticket training, or join me at my MLM. Thanks so much.